In this video, I will be reviewing a new enhancement for the CheckMate 14 2024 release, which is about outputting a program with probe names automatically on the output program screen. On the screen, I have a simple program with three measurements: a plane on top, a small circle on the angled area on the right, and a large circle in the front. For each of the measurements, I have a probe rotation. Let's go to the probe edit command and look at the three probe angles that I have. Now, if I want to output this program to, let's say, PCDMIS, then I would need to edit the probe name column to be PCDMIS probe names, like T1A0B0, T1A-90B45, and T1A90B-90. But we're not going to do that. On the output program screen, I will do everything as I normally would, including selecting the CMM. The Use Program Name switch is now a tri-state switch, and when it is in this tri-state mode, CheckMate will automatically use the probe names for that selected CMM. So you can see in the resulting DEMIS program that the probe names are now in the PCDMIS format. So you see, all we have to do is select the appropriate CMM, and we don't have to edit the probe names in the Edit Probe screen anymore. Thanks for watching and have a great day.